This video is a continuation of my time in the Kurdish Autonomous Region of Iraq. If you caught my last episode, you would see that I visited Zakho in order to get close to the Syrian border. If you haven't seen it, I'll leave the link below. So, why was I so interested in the Syrian border? Well, if you've seen some of my older episodes, you will see that I did visit Syria, but I was limited to Damascus and the surrounding areas. In the northeast corner of Syria lies the Autonomous Administration of North and East Syria. For the purpose of simplicity, I'm going to use the Kurdish name, Rojava for short. Now, all over YouTube, there are several fellow content creators that have filmed in Syria, yours truly included, but none of them have ever filmed in this area. And that includes Drew Binsky, Gus on the Go, and my personal friend, Zavi from Traveling the Unknown. I wanted to be the first. I also had another reason. I had made a contact in this region who's going to give me first-hand experience of being under attack when ISIS were at their peak. An interview like this would have been amazing. I was told by my contact that since the Kurds were in control of the region and border were pro-American, that crossing the border would be easy and that with my American passport and press ID would be sufficient. I was told that the border wouldn't be open for 2 more days, so I had to keep myself busy in Zakho until then. So what did I do? I walked around. I was pleasantly surprised to see quite a few churches due to the influence of the Assyrian minority here. Alright, decided to do a little exploring by the hotel where I'm staying in Zakho. Looks like a typical working class area around here. But check this out. Not expect to see this. See if they're open or if they'll let me in. I'll talk about quiet. Let's see. That's locked. Oh well. It is nice. I have no idea what that says, so I guess I'll leave it up to you. If anyone can read Arabic or Kurdish. Okay, right by the church, looks like we have a school here. St. George. I can figure that out. Yeah, it still keeps pretty big. Wow, it's big. Didn't expect this. Hey there. Hello. Good, it's for YouTube. The kids told me that the church would be open later today. Instead of waiting around, I decided to keep walking, and I found this other church nearby. Okay, found another church nearby, and actually whoever's taking care of it saw me, and they were nice enough to open the door for me. Take a look around here, a little local history. I'm going to assume this is Chaldean Catholic. It's the predominant sect for this area. Unfortunately, no one here speaks English or Spanish or Italian. Wow, it's beautiful. Amazing. And I also ate well during my stay here, and at night I'll go to a nearby bingo hall as they had a large bar there. I wasn't allowed to film at the bingo hall, but hey, I snuck in this photo. Finally, it was my time to try my luck at the border. Here I am approaching it. At the border itself, I wasn't allowed to film. So I finally get to the actual border, and I was told by the guards that I would need an exit letter from the Kurdish regional government since I was neither a citizen of Iraq or Syria. This was because of recent tensions between the Kurds of Syria and the Kurds of Iraq. I felt gutted, as this was the first time ever in my life that I wasn't able to cross a land border. So lesson learned, and this is also part of the experience of traveling throughout this region of the world. So with the border closed and not being able to film in Rojava, I figured I might as well head back to Erbil, which will be featured again in my next video. Stay tuned, don't forget to like and subscribe.